Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing homemade cinnamon. And this recipe cinnamon, you will find these items right away in your kitchen. And let's start with making the homemade cinnamon. So let's start with the recipe. You will be needing 2 cups of milk, then 1/2 cup of melted butter, then 1/2 cup of sugar, then mix it. Then a spoon of yeast, then mix it. Then we will cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. So after leaving your ingredient for 10 minutes, you need to open your lid. Okay, you'll see some little bubbles, so that's ready for the next ingredients. Next ingredient, you'll be needing 4 cups of flour. Okay, okay. So after putting your 4 flour cups, put your 4 spoons of yogurt. Okay. After, mix them. After waiting it to set for an hour, we will see. So it will come like that. Then you will be adding first 1 cup of flour. Okay. Then 2 teaspoons of salt. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then mix it. I'll come back to you when I finish mixing. So this is the filling I did. I put in it 1/2 cup of melted butter, and I put on it 1/2 cup of brown sugar and teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of cacao. So with the dough, we did it as a square, so we can put what we did the filling. Okay, so let's add the filling. Then spread. And you need to spread all evenly. So when you put your filling, you're gonna roll your cinnamon. So now in the last part we're going to finish the roll. So after rolling, we're gonna cut it. Now for cutting your cinnamon, you'll be using some dental yarn, okay? Okay? And for distance, you'll be using your 3 fingers for distance. Every 3 fingers you need to cut. So I cut my first one. So you'll be cutting and cutting to tell how much you want. After you cut your cinnamon, you take a pan, put some parchment paper, then put your cinnamon on it. So after cutting them and putting them on the pan, you need to rest them for 15 minutes. So now for the oven part, you need to wait 20 minutes to let it rise and be a cinnamon. So now we're gonna do the cinnamon syrup. We will need a half cup of milk, then a whole cup of soft sugar, okay, then a teaspoon of butter, then finally a teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix it. So this is the final result for the cinnamon. And now we'll put the syrup we did. And you can put any syrup you want. Now we're gonna cut it. Bon appetit!